गं गणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात्। ॐ श्री गजाननाय नमः। In our Hinduism, why Lord Ganesha is worshipped first? Why do we pray Lord Ganesha in priority every time before starting anything? Well, a well-known answer to this is when Lord Ganesha didn't allow even Shiva to enter into the chamber of Mata Parvati. Lord Shiva cut off Ganesha's head. At that time, Lord Ganesha was told to guard the gates of Mata Parvati's chamber. This great anger-filling act by Lord Shiva made Mata Parvati so upset. At that very moment, her intentions to take hostile action against the world started. This world was so scary at that time. Mata Parvati threatened to destroy the world if her son was not brought back to the life. Then Lord Shiva replaced Lord Ganesha's head with an elephant. He further bestowed him with divinity and stated all puja will begin with the invocation of Lord Ganesha's name. Yes, he should be given this respect because when Mata Parvati ji went to bath, she ordered Lord Ganesha to stop anyone entering inside. And like a great follower, Lord Ganesha was following the order of Goddess Parvati ji. Well, there is another very interesting story. Once Ganesha and Kartik, who is his elder brother, tried to figure out who is superior. Then Lord Shiva gives them a task. He made a point clear that the winner of this task will be known as the first among gods. According to this task, the one who will finish the complete round of universe and will come back to Lord Shiva and Mata Parvati first will be the winner. After hearing this, Kartikeya sat on his peacock and went to take a round of this universe. But at the very moment, instead of taking round of the universe, Lord Ganesha decided to do the parikrama of their parents. Yes, he decided to do round of his parents and then said very happily that my parents are my life, my universe, my each and every single thing. And taking a round around them completes the round of this whole universe. This made Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati so pleased, and Lord Shiva announced Lord Ganesha as a winner and given a title of the god to whom the people will pray first. Isn't it loving? Yes, it is. There is one more reason, one more yogic belief. According to that, human life is broadly divided into two parts. First is spiritual and second one is material. And yes, Lord Ganesha controls both of them very precisely. He is known as the Lord of Mooladhara Chakra. He is believed to be the energy within us. These beliefs takes us to the conclusion, why should we offer prayers to Lord Ganesha in priority? Om Lambodharaya Namaha.